If your dog suddenly stands completely frozen and starts making this terrifying honking sound, it looks like an absolute emergency. Most pet parents instantly panic, thinking their dog is suffocating or having a medical crisis. You might feel like rushing straight to the emergency clinic, but before you panic, look closer. This alarming event is actually just a common, harmless spasm called a reverse sneeze. It happens when their soft palate gets irritated by a tiny speck of dust, pollen, or even just sudden excitement. Instead of pulling air out, they are forcefully sucking it in to clear their throat. You can stop it fast by gently blocking one nostril until they stop. If that isn't enough, you can add a gentle neck rub to trigger a swallow. Within seconds, the spasm passes and they go right back to normal. So the next time you hear your dog making this rather disturbing sound, don't panic. You now know what to do.